Recording your workouts is incredibly important and can provide some very useful information, not only to see how you are progressing, but also to demonstrate your progress. And demonstrating your progress can be very motivating. What I have here is a workout program, a 4-week training cycle for a relatively novice client. And what we have are the exercises, the prescription, and then the client recorded the sets and the load that they used. I don't really want to focus so much on the exercise or the prescription, but rather some of the information that we have in this document. And so what we have are the loads, the weeks, and then the total load, as well as the total training load for each day. And what I've made over here is a chart of the volume for this first cycle over the 5 weeks. And what we can see is for the 2 lower body days, the client is using a lot more volume, which is to be expected, bigger exercises, more weights, etc. We can also see that the overall load increases over the course of the first 4 weeks, and the last week is a planned deload. So a lighter week to allow for recovery. What we can do now is reference back to this, let's say in 2 or 3 months, when we use some of these exercises again to see just how far she's come in terms of strength. So the 4th week was the most intense, and you can see for the hack squat, she was up to 115 pounds. For the sumo deadlift, she was up to 145 pounds for 10 repetitions. So we can reference back to that to demonstrate improvement.